Every time your world falls down, that's when I see your name. You never call when you're happy, only when you're in pain. You disappear for weeks, then show up in my phone. No, how are you? Or I've missed you, just cannot come over. I'm alone. You know I'll say yes, like I always do, but I'm starting to wonder if I'm just a fix for you. I'm not your bandage, I'm not your midnight crutch, but you keep dialing when life gets too much. You only call when it hurts, when the silence gets too loud, when he lets you down again. You come back to me somehow, but I'm not your safe place, not the one who should pay for the mess you keep choosing and throw me away. You only call when it hurts, and I always stay. You say I make you feel better, but you never really stay long. I see the pattern now, but it still feels wrong. I wanna be the answer, not the aftermath of pain, but I'm always the umbrella you grab in the rain. And I'm tired of waiting for a love that won't begin. You run to me broken, then run out again. You only call when it hurts, when your pride hits the floor. You cry on my shoulder, then walk out the door. I'm not your maybe, I'm not your in-between, but I keep pretending like I don't know what it means. You only call when it hurts, and I'm stuck in between. This time I won't answer, this time I'll let it ring, 'cause I deserve someone who wants more than a fling. So call when you're better, if that day ever comes, but don't expect me to keep being the one. You only call when it hurts. And I always stay.